everyone, welcome to Careers 360. Dear ones, I hope that all of you are in the best of your spirits and in the good health. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about GATE 2026, specifically about the subject Computer Science and Information Technology. Talking about Computer Science and Information Technology, in this particular video, I'm going to cover the exam pattern, the syllabus, weightage, and the cutoffs of the previous year so that you people can have a fair idea while you're preparing for GATE 2026. Dear ones, this particular exam, the GATE exam, is a gateway for admissions to postgraduate programs like ME, MTech, and PhD in various prestigious institutions, as well as recruitment in various public sector undertakings, PSU, for example, NTPC, ONGC, etc., which we will be taking up in the video later on. So, discussing about GATE 2026, Computer Science and Information Technology. We are actually going to cover everything from exam pattern to previous year cutoff and also talking about this year cutoff. So students, what I literally want to talk about over here is that this GATE examination, graduate aptitude test in engineering, fine. So this GATE examination, that too when I'm talking about 2026, basically you people know about that it's a national level exam conducted for admissions to MTech, PhD and also ME in the premier institutions across India. This is what I told you already. Fine, like IITs, NITs and triple ITs. Also, it's actually going to help you out while you are going for recruitment in top PSUs basically like ONGC, NTPC, IOCL, which we'll be talking about later in this particular video. Talking about the eligibility criteria, final year UG students or the graduates in engineering, technology, science, commerce or arts. Suppose if you are doing masters in chemistry, physics, mathematics. So in your final semester, when you're in your final semester, basically, you are eligible to give this particular GATE examination. Now, if I talk about engineering segment, when you are in the last semester of your engineering segments, suppose if I'm talking about computer science and IT, so in the last semester of your computer science and IT, you are eligible to give this particular examination for your further studies, or else if you want to get recruited in some of the good PSUs. Okay, talking about the validity, so this GATE score is valid for 3 years from the date of your result declaration. Suppose if your result comes on 18th of March 2026, so it will be valid till 18th of March 2029 basically. Moving ahead and now talking about the exam pattern of GATE, Computer Science and IT, Information Technology. So mode of exam, it's computer based test. Duration 3 hours. Section, 2 section hai. General aptitude. So general aptitude is of 15 marks and the core CS subject, it is of 85 marks. Clear? Absolutely right. Talking about the number of questions, general aptitude mein you are going to get 10 questions only, and for core CS subject you are going to get 55 questions. Okay, so you can just have a look over here. General aptitude ke 10 question honge and they will be pertaining to 15 marks. Talking about the core subject, so over here in core subject you are going to get 55 questions basically and they'll be pertaining to 85 marks. Total marks will be 100. Okay, question types MSQs, MCQs and NAT, numerical aptitude type questions you are going to get negative marking. Yes, of course, negative marking will be there for MCQ questions only. Moving ahead, now over here GATE Computer Science and IT का मैं यहाँ आपको syllabus बताना चाहती हूँ. So we at Careers 360 are actually providing you with the ebooks which is actually having all the syllabus in detail, okay, with the respective chapters you are having for this particular branch of engineering, CS and IT. So if I now just talk about how to download this particular link, because it's very, very important for you people, you need to just download the link given in the description box. So when you click on the downloadable link, you are going to get this particular interface. You are going to get this particular interface basically. So it's freely downloadable for you people. You can freely download it up. ठीक है? Fine. So ये जो link से मैंने आपको ये जो दिखाया है, the thing which I have shown you, this particular interface will be opened up for you. You can just click on this particular button, free download, and you can get the ebook regarding GATE 2026 syllabus for CS and IT. Okay, let me tell you how it actually looks like. ये दिखता कैसे होगा? This is the PDF, this is how the PDF will look like. So जब आप उस डाउनलोड वाले प्री डाउनलोड वाले आइकन को क्लिक करेंगे, दिस इज हाउ द PDF इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक बेसिकली, वेर इन यू कैन एक्चुअली हैव अ लुक. ये देखिए, ये सबसे पहले इट्स बेसिकली रिगार्डिंग आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट गेट 2026 सिलेबस फॉर कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड IT. यहाँ पर देखिए चैप्टर वाइज हमने मेंशन किया हुआ है, जैसे कि इफ आई टॉक अबाउट सेक्शन 1 इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, उसमें क्या क्या टॉपिक्स हैं, ईच एंड एवरी सिलेबस इज बीन डिटेल्ड फॉर्मेटेड ओवर हेयर फॉर यू पीपल. सो हैव अ लुक, आप आराम से देखेंगे सारे सेक्शंस के जो जो यहाँ पर टॉपिक्स हैं वो हमने सब यहाँ कवर किए हुए हैं. You can have a look over here. I'm just showing you for your ease only. ठीक है people? So this is how the syllabus will look like. CS में जो भी आपके chapters हैं उनके अंदर जो भी सब topics है, each and everything has been mentioned over here. I hope you got this particular point. Isn't it? Yeah. So मैंने आपको यहाँ पर डाउनलोड लिंक बता दिया है. The link will be actually mentioned in the description box. Even मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि किस तरह से PDF आपको देखने को मिलेगी. Each and every chapter has been covered with all the topics covered in it. Clear? मूविंग अहेड, एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि आपको एक तरह जैसे मैंने अभी आपको CS एंड IT के बारे में बताया, वैसे ही यू कैन गेट द सिलेबस फॉर अदर एग्जामिनेशंस आल्सो लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन बेसिकली. आई होप यू गॉट माय पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. नाउ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू कोट ओवर हियर इज रिगार्डिंग द चैप्टर वाइज वेटेज. गेट CS एंड IT का वेटेज अकॉर्डिंग टू 2025. इस साल का पेपर हो चुका है. वी आर एक्चुअली on a track to prepare for the next year. तो next year के preparation के लिए we actually should have a data जहाँ पर हमें ये पता चल सके कि भाई इस चैप्टर में से इस साल कितना परसेंटेज ऑफ वेटेज था या कितने क्वेश्चंस हैं, वो सब मैं आपको भी डिटेलिंग करती हूँ. सो चैप्टर देखिए, अगर मैं बात करती हूँ एप्टीट्यूड की, इट्स एक्चुअली कैरिंग द हाईएस्ट वेटेज 15.38, टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोग्रामिंग एंड डेटा स्ट्रक्चर 13.08%, engineering mathematics 12.31, computer organization and architecture 10%, computer network 7.69%, operating system 7.69, talking about compiler design 6.92 basically, database 6.92, digital logic 6.92, theory of computation 6.92, algorithm 6.15. so ये weightage मैंने percentage wise बता दिया है पर चैप्टर का कि इस चैप्टर में से कितना परसेंटेज आया था for this particular year, GATE 2025, so that it can help you out while you're preparing for GATE 2026. So here's the pie chart also. यहाँ इस particular pie chart से आपको चीजें और clarity से clear हो जाएंगी about the weightages of the chapter, okay, percentage wise. Moving ahead and talking about if I now talk about the weightage according to 2024, हमने previous year के data को भी pull in किया है और उसका भी data आपको present कर रहे हैं ताकि क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट्स माइंड में रहे कि 2025 में कितना परसेंटेज ऑफ वेटेज एक पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर ने कैरी किया, एंड इफ वी कंपेयर इट विद 2024 वहां पर क्या डिफरेंस था. सो ओवर हियर इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स इज ऑन टॉप कैरिंग 17.69% ऑफ द वेटेज, followed by aptitude, then computer organization and architecture, computer network, then databases, programming and data structure, and so on so forth. You can have a look on the pie chart also, as well as on the data that I have provided to you people. चलिए आगे move on करते हैं. Now chapter wise वेटेज गेट CS एंड IT 2025-2021, आई मीन टू से पिछले 5 सालों का हमने आपको यहाँ पर एक पर्टिकुलर डेटा मेंशन किया है विच इज गोइंग टू टेल यू द एवरेज नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पर चैप्टर पिछले 5 सालों में कितने आए हैं. पिछले 5 सालों में एवरेज नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस किस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर से कितने हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, सो पिछले 5 सालों में नियर अबाउट 13.8 number of questions, average number of questions we have got. So engineering mathematics is really very important, so you have to take a dig up on this particular chapter. बहुत अच्छे से तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी इस चैप्टर की. Followed by programming and data structure, यहाँ से near about 11 questions, average number of questions. Past 5 years में from programming and data we are getting 11 questions, from aptitude 10, from operating system 10, from databases 9.2, and so forth. You can just have a look on the rest of the chapters over here, mentioning about the computer networks 9, average number of questions. Talking about theory of computation 7.4 basically. Yes, talking about algorithms I'm going to talk about, it's 6.2, and the least number of questions in the previous 5 years you have got from digital logic chapter basically. So you can have an idea, fair idea कि किस particular chapter को कितना weightage आप लोगों को देना है. That's absolutely true. Okay, moving ahead and talking about the cutoff for CS and IT for this particular year 2025. So minimum qualifying marks क्या थे GATE CS exam 2025 के general category के लिए it was 29.2 out of 100. For OBC and EWS category it was 26.2. For SC, ST, PWD it was 19.4. Total number of registered students कितने थे? It was near about 2,07,851 and the appeared number of candidates were in CS branch, CS and IT branch, it was 1,70,825. Moving ahead, talking about IIT Bombay की इस साल की क्या कट ऑफ गई for CS and IT. So over here they have taken the GATE score. Score card में GATE score भी लिखा हुआ होगा. Other than you are going to get the marks out of 100. तो GATE score will be out of 1,000. Okay. So qualifying score in order to get in IIT Bombay basically in CS and IT branch it were 750, for OBC 675, for SC, ST, PWD category it was 500. Talking about IIT Dhanbad, the GATE cutoff for CS and IT this particular year, qualifying score, the GATE score was 772, followed by OBC category 731, for EWS category 757, for SC and ST category 652 and ST 536. तो आप यहाँ से अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं about regarding the IIT Bombay की क्या कट ऑफ हो सकती है in for GATE 2026, क्योंकि GATE 2025 में they have actually taken the qualifying score to be as 750 basically for general category. For IIT Dhanbad it's 772. Moving ahead, talking about this data, यहाँ सिंपली मैंने ये मेंशन किया है कि कैटेगरी वाइज क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स एंड क्वालिफाइंग गेट स्कोर्स. जैसे अगर मैं बात करती हूँ रिगार्डिंग द जनरल कैटेगरी, ओके, फॉर द ईयर 2024, ये ईयर 2024 का भी मैं कंपैरिजन कर रही हूँ. सो जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स फॉर द ईयर 2024 for GATE, CS and IT branch it was 27.6, for OBC 24.8, for SC, ST, PWD 18.4. ठीक है. Talking about regarding the qualifying score which is out of 1,000. This qualifying score is out of 1,000, remember, and this qualifying marks is out of 100. Okay, so this qualifying score you get after the competent authority normalizes the score basically. ठीक है. So जो भी गेट एग्जाम कंडक्ट करवा रही है, जो भी आईआईटी कंडक्ट करवा रही है, वो नॉर्मलाइज कर लेती है एंड एक गेट स्कोर आपको प्रोवाइड करती है. सो द गेट क्वालिफाइंग स्कोर वाज फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी 350, फॉर ओबीसी ईडब्ल्यूएस 390, फॉर एससी एसटी पीडब्ल्यूडी इज 189 बेसिकली. मूविंग अहेड, टॉकिंग अबाउट कैटेगरी वाइज काउंट ऑफ रजिस्टर्ड अपीयर्ड एंड क्वालिफाइड कैंडिडेट्स, हैव अ लुक ओवर हियर. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फॉर द ईयर 2024. देख लीजिए आप. टॉकिंग अबाउट कि भाई जनरल कैटेगरी के अंदर कितनों ने रजिस्टर किया, नियर अबाउट 66,000, अपीयर्ड 51,000, क्वालिफाइड नियर अबाउट 9,800. Herein have a look on the data for the general EWS, for OBC category. Also talking about SC and ST category. This data is for 2024. Why I'm showing this data? Just because to give you a fair idea about how many students registered, how many of them appeared and how many of them qualified basically, ताकि एक fair idea रहे आपके mind में. Talking about the score, the minimum and maximum and the score of 2024 basically, minimum and maximum score. So maximum score it was through 100. Okay, 100 में से maximum marks जो आपके आए हैं it's 90 and minimum is minus 13.33. Talking about the GATE score which is out of 1,000, so it's 1,000 on 1,000 and minimum is minus 96. It's for the year 2024 basically. Talking about the GATE cutoff for PSUs in CS and IT branch, so ये जनरल कैटेगरी का एस्टिमेट है बेसिकली, जनरल कैटेगरी का एस्टिमेट है फॉर द पास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स. सो हमने उस डेटा को थोड़ा क्यूमुलेट कर लिया एंड वी एक्चुअली हैव रीच टू अ पॉइंट कि चलिए लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कि अप्रोक्सीमेट कितना गेट का हमारा स्कोर होना चाहिए. आई मीन टू से कितना गेट में हमारे मार्क्स आने चाहिए आउट ऑफ 100 in order to be in these PSUs basically, isn't it? Talking about NTPC CS branch, it's near about 82, ONGC 82 marks, GAIL 77 मार्क्स, IOCL 69 मार्क्स, पावर ग्रिड 67.9 मार्क्स. सो नियर अबाउट अगर आपके इतने मार्क्स आ जाते हैं आउट ऑफ 100 इन योर गेट एग्जामिनेशन, मोर और लेस, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, yes, short you can be in one of these PSUs. Yeah. So guys, this is all from my side in today's session, and I hope कि ये जो particular video मैंने बनाया regarding all the things about GATE 2026 CS and IT branch, talking about the syllabus, the exam pattern, the chapter weightage, okay, the cutoff scores of this year and of the previous year, एक fair idea आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से लग गया होगा. And I believe now your preparation will be strategized based on the data, based on all the analysis which I have done over here in this particular session. So all the very best and good luck.